Nasty girl.
We've been down. Oh, six my regular. I'm talking six for better. Oh, six for better.
Hello. So I started to cut my braids. By the way, I didn't go on my cruise because I couldn't find my passport. Really sucks, but I'm glad my girl Cece and her sisters had fun. But I ended up cutting my braids out because I'm kind of over it. So I'm just letting them like fall out. But I did have errands to run. I just spent $500 fixing my car 2 weeks before my birthday. So that wasn't fun, but I needed it done because my car literally... Listen, adulting is not easy. But anyways, long story short, my package finally came from Fashion Nova. Not shout out to you because I paid for two-day shipping and it came in 5 days. Don't like that. But I'm about to try on my birthday dress and see what is it giving. Show you guys. Obviously, you guys will see this way after my birthday because, you know. And congratulations to us hitting 3,000 subscribers. Woo woo! Hopefully I get to 10K before this year is over because I think it's about that time. I need to step up my quality. Somebody told me that my audio needs to be adjusted, so I will be investing in a good mic for this camera. But I mean, gotta do something. Gotta do what I gotta do. But anywho, here is my birthday dress from Fashion Nova and some heels to go along with it. Let me show you guys the shoes first. If they're giving what I think they were supposed to. Here's the shoe. Bro, I got shoes kind of like this, but I really wanted it for the gold detail. And they have like the little lock, almost like the Tom Ford. So these are like some Tom Ford padlock dupes. So we're gonna try this on with the dress and see if we like the vibe. So I'm just only doing 2 different birthday picture outfits. So we're gonna try this on. And here's the dress. This dress was on sale, but it was originally like $115. I got it for like maybe $40 something. I don't know. I forgot. You'll see it on the screen. I'll leave the link down to both of these items down below for you guys. So the dress is pretty heavy, pretty thick. Okay. Let's see. What size did I get? I got it in a, what size? Large, because the top. But this is what the, ooh, this thing is short. So this is what it looks like. Let's try it on. All right, so the dress is really cute, but I can't zip it, obviously. But this is what it looks like. It's not zipped up, but it's so cute. The bottom. Hey guys, it is July the 8th, so 11 days until my birthday, my 30th birthday. This finally came in from Amazon. I'm gonna try it on really quick to see if it'll go with the skirt. It is a pink corset top. I hope it fits. I think I got it in an extra large. I wanted to wear it with the white skirt, but if not, I'm gonna wear the black top. I'll show you guys in a second, but okay, it looks exactly like the picture. So I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the, if I like it, I'll leave the link down below. It is pink extra large. Yep, I got an extra large. I'm usually large, but they still set to size up so it can really, really hold you in. And then the clips in the front go like this. And then you pull them. So we're gonna try this on. The smell is a little, ugh. It smells like a, what do you call it? It smells like, I don't know. It doesn't smell good, but whatever. I don't know if I can wash this, so I'll just let it air out because my pictures are this Friday. So I'm just gonna let it air out, try this on. I did order some shoes from Pretty Little Thing last night. If they come in time, then I'll take the pictures with this. If not, I have a backup white shoe. But let me show you guys it on first. Hold on. All right, so this is definitely a two-person job. I am gonna link it down below in case you ever want it. But just know that you cannot put this on by yourself. So it's not all the way on. Like I have a few of the clips that are not all the way clipped, but it is on. And I have not adjusted the back. You guys can see there are some adjustments that need to be done. But the day of, I'm going to have two of my friends with me, so they'll help me get in here. I think this is going to be the first outfit that I take pictures in just because it's the hardest. I'd rather get this one out of the way, but it is cute. I just need it to be like really, really snatching because like this is like going upward. Like I don't like how there's this space here. I want it to be, you know, flat on here, but I know that comes with just pulling the ties in the back, which again, I can't really do. But I think this is actually gonna be cute with the skirt. So this is the skirt that I'm gonna wear with it. It was either this pink top or a black top. I feel like the pink is just a little bit different. I feel like black is a little too typical. So yeah, if the shoes, let me show you guys the shoes. The shoes literally look exactly like this top. Y'all, look at the shoes. They're the shoes. When I say they literally look exactly like the top, I mean, come on. The comparison is crazy. I wish I would have saw this sooner, but I saw this as an ad on Instagram, and then I just bought it last night. But, you know, with the ruffles, it just matches perfectly. If it doesn't come in time, it's fine. I can just wear these white shoes. White shoes for the pictures, but I really, really hope the pink ones come. Like, these shoes actually hurt the white ones, so I'm really hoping that the pink ones come in time. I really would prefer the pink ones because the pink ones are like something nobody's ever seen before because I don't see anybody with it, but I've worn these shoes a few times. Hair, makeup, everything done. Oh, this bottom part is so tight. I saw that on the reviews, but like you can't even let some of it out. Like you can't hardly walk. I don't like that because this is a large and it fits like a large, but the bottom fits like a tiny, extra small. And I can't zip it because it's so low. Newer. And yeah, I'll probably wear this with. Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you guys what I got from Play-Doh's Closet. They had the $20 grab bag event, but I'm going to show y'all I'm going to show you really quick what I got before I go ahead and wash them because, you know, Play-Doh's Closet is gently used clothes. I actually need to take some stuff to them, but I'll do that a little bit later. But yeah, so I got this little bodysuit, just something super cash. If it doesn't fit me, I'm just going to give it away to my friend or sister because this is a size small and I'm not a small. Your girl is up there. I'm not a small, but I got it anyways because it's a clearance. If you don't know what it is, the grab bag event is when anything that's on clearance, on the clearance racks, as long as you can fit it in the bag, you pay $20 for the entire bag. So I got quite a bit of things. Okay, so we got this cute little plain old bodysuit because duh. Some stuff I don't know if I'm gonna keep, but I grabbed it anyways. I got there like at 10:20 and it started at 10 o'clock. So obviously the earlier you go, the better. I got this top. It's like a yellow over the shoulder type of top. I think I'm going to like this because I like wearing stuff flowy like this. I wear this with some jeans. I got a lot of tops because they didn't have a lot when I got there and I was only 20 minutes late. Then I got this top from Forever 21, which is brand new. It still has the Forever 21 tag on it. And it's in this cute little lavender color. It's a lot of shirts, y'all. A lot of shirts. And we got this bralette, which I'm going to figure out when I'm going to wear this. I think I'm going to wear this like under a blazer type style. I got this one. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but it's a top. Another over the shoulder, off the shoulder, I should say. Off the shoulder top. It's very loose fit at the bottom, which I like because sometimes, you know, the belly is, you know, bellying. All right. So a lot of these things got tags on them, which I really like. So this is an H&M little crop top. what is it called? Not a crop top. What do you call these? Tube top. So this is an H&M tube top. I think this is in a large, which is perfect for me. Really, really cute if I want to wear some high-waisted jeans and, you know, a little outfit. So just something plain, but, you know, a lot of my stuff got tags on them. This is from Shein, the Sexy Collection, and it is a wraparound black top, Fashion Nova, and this is in an extra large. So it's this pink little top. I think I could, you know, really, really dress this up. I wear this at church over like a dress. I actually have a perfect dress that it will go perfectly with. This is a little red crop top from Ross. It was $5.99 and they're selling it for $6. Why am I not selling it for cheaper? I mean, it literally says Ross $5.99 and then they're selling it for $6. That's why it's on clearance. Then we have this one. This is, I don't know if this is gonna fit me, but this is from Forever 21. Still with the tags on it, y'all. All right, so this is it. There's a cute little dress. I don't think this is gonna fit me because it's a size small. Oh, medium. It got some stretch to it. This is from Fashion Nova. And it has off the shoulder. Y'all know off the shoulder is my thing. I love my shoulders being out. So normal type of material. Then we have this black slip dress. This is from Nasty Gal. I've been a nasty girl. I've been a nasty girl. I've been a nasty girl. I've been a nasty SD. Is somebody gonna watch my freak? Is somebody gonna watch my freak? Anyways, Nasty Gal. This is in a size 7/8. This is a cute little black plain slip dress because you could never have too many black dresses. I have about maybe 10 black dresses, so 11. I'm gonna count my black dresses one day, but yeah. So this is just a plain old black slip dress. We have this top. I bought this top for when I work out because it gives me workout vibes, but I don't think it's necessarily for it. But I would like to wear this like underneath my bra, like my sports bra with, you know, tights on. So it's just a little, it just has a workout material. So gray jumpsuit. The material is a little itchy, I can't lie, but it is just a gray long jumpsuit that you could dress this up, you could dress this down. I'm gonna dress this casual. Then we have this thing. I honestly don't know if oh, it's a dress. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to keep this because this is not gonna fit me. So it's a dress that is super exposed. I did not know what it was. I really thought it was a top, but I couldn't tell because of the hanger. I just grabbed it because it was on clearance. Okay, I'm still gonna try it on, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to keep it because of the way it is exposed. I'm a little too, I'm saved. Okay, I don't got nothing to be selling out here. Okay, then we have this Capella dress. It's just a plain slip dress, perfect for the summertime. I can't wait to wear this because I'm gonna style this up really, really cute with my Tory Burch not my Eleanor sandals. And it has, oh, I didn't even see this. It has this cute little cutout detail, which is cute. Who doesn't like that? Yeah, that'll be really cute. And then here's this last thing that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Ooh, size 6. Ooh, I hope it fit. And it's this cute little suede top. Super, super cute. And it has a little detail. Ooh, I need to try this on. This actually may go perfectly with my birthday outfit. Let me try. I'm going to try some of these stuff on right now before my camera dies. So hold on. All right, so this top, super cute, but it obviously does not fit your girl. Tiny, really, really tiny. I'm going to give this to one of my friends. I don't know, whoever wants it. That's okay. It was in the clearance bag. It would have been really, really cute if it fit because I actually could have worn this for my birthday photo shoot because it would go really, really nicely with my skirt vibe. But yeah, anyways, next. So this is the pink top. I knew I was gonna like this. It's really, really cute and girly. I love the arms. That is super, super cute. I think that's actually a really, really cute feminine touch. But like I said, I think it's something I would wear like over a dress because it's light. Girly, I love the little army things. The arm things is super cute. Next, this is super, super cute, y'all, but it won't close in the front, so I can't really show you. But it would have been really, really cute if it fit. I think I'm going to be able to keep it though because I can button some of the buttons, but I can't button enough. But I would have if I just need like to lose like 10 pounds and I'll be able to wear it. But I think I'm going to keep it so that'd be my motivation because this is really, really cute and it's so my style, especially like with a hairstyle like this with, you know, little earrings and my bun. Like, this is my style. So I'm going to keep it and lose some weight. and the right vibes. This is something else I could wear over a dress as well. It's just really, really cute and just like a little tie around little moment. Again, I could wear, I actually think I'm gonna wear this one over a dress. That way, like, all this ain't showing. Oh yeah, super cute, plain. So here's the yellow one. I knew I was gonna like this. It's like a, yeah, it's yellow. On camera it's looking cream, but it's definitely yellow. And I love this so much. I'm gonna take this with me on my trip. I think it's just super cute, super girly, super fun. I probably am gonna wear it on the shoulder because off the shoulder is just a little bit weird. But yeah, it's just a cute little top. I knew it was gonna fit exactly how it does. And I like it. It's super cute, super flirty, cute, you know. You can wear this with a skirt. You can wear this with jeans, a short. This is a cute top. I actually think I might wear this. Am I going to wear this tomorrow? No, I'm going to take this for my trip. I just think it's super cute and fun. And the sleeves feel super, super nice because of that satin finish. And this fits perfectly down here. Y'all see I kind of have like a theme. I love girly looking things. Not all the time though, because I wear so many different kinds of clothes. But this is just so me. Like, it's just, I love the mid arm. I love the tightness here. I love the shape here. It's just a cute little thing. I would definitely wear this with a satin skirt. And it's just a tad bit small. I wish it was one size up because because of that. But I think I like this a lot. I would definitely wear it with a skirt, like move the skirt up. And that'll be a cute little moment, a dinner moment with a nice bag. Hair pulled back just like this so I could see the full moment. I like this for sure. We're going to try this because I might give this away if it doesn't fit right. Oh, this fits. Oh, it's too big. I'm going to give this to my sister. Literally falling off of me. Oh, it fits. It fits. All right, so the bodysuit fits. I'm not going to clip it. I don't like clipping my bodysuits anymore unless I have on jeans. Because, like, I wore a bodysuit today and it's too much. Because at least jeans stay in one place. But anyways, it fits. I think it's cute, simple, perfect for, like, whatever, on the go, running around. Definitely underestimated my thickness. This is the bodysuit. It stops literally right here. I cannot make it go up anymore. It literally stops right here. Here are the handles that's supposed to go on my arms. Yeah, definitely got to give this away because this is the bodysuit. It's supposed to be all the way up. So here's the satin black dress. Ooh, it's a little short. Way shorter than I thought it was going to be, but I can make it work. We're going to see. Actually, so yeah, it's obviously a little short, but I think I'm gonna wear this as a shirt because I could just pull this up and then I'll have a shirt. That's what I think I'm gonna wear it as, like a loose fit type of shirt because I don't like it as a dress because it's too short, but I like the style of this because yeah, it's not the shortest dress I have, but I also want, it's not zipped either. And I can't really zip it if I wear it as a dress, but I can zip it if I wear it as a shirt. So, I don't know. We're going to try it. We're going to see. I'm actually going to keep this because it will be so cute as a bathing suit cover up. Okay. This is actually really, really cute. Okay. I see the vision. Bathing suit, cover up with my husband. Yeah. My battery's dying. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Oh.